Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm excited to share an amazing Excel trick that can transform the way you navigate and manage your reports. Take a look at the final result we've created. With just a single click, you can instantly open the required sheet, making your workbook more interactive, organized, and user-friendly. Let's see how it's done. Now, you might think creating something like this requires advanced Excel skills, but it's actually much simpler than it looks. Let's get started with blank sheet. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Shapes. Select rounded rectangle shape. Now, click and drag on the worksheet to draw the shape. This shape will be used as the background layer of our card design. Next, press Ctrl+D to duplicate the shape. The duplicated shape will be placed on top and will serve as the main card. Change the shape fill color to any color that matches your dashboard theme. You can also remove the outline or customize it according to your design preferences. If you wish, you can also change the background shape color according to your own preference and remove outline. If you want, you can also adjust the fill color as per your choice. Go to More Colors, adjust color intensity level. Now select the shape and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Then, reduce the size using the corner handles and adjust its position as needed. Drag small yellow dot to increase or decrease the roundness. Change the fill color as per your choice. Then set the outline color. After that, enter your text inside the shape. Adjust the text fill color for better visibility. You can also format it further, like making it bold or applying other styling to match your design. Now align the text to the center and middle so it stays perfectly balanced inside the shape. Now press Ctrl+D twice to create two more shapes. Change the text in each shape according to your requirement. Duplicate one more shape. Delete text, change the fill color. Remove the outline. Increase the size as required. Adjust the design as per layout. Go to Shape Effects, apply Shadow, and choose Center Shadow. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the shape. Then position it properly as per the layout. Make any adjustments if required. Now go to the Shapes and select Text Box. Draw the text box and enter the required text. Then position the text box over the shape. Select text and apply bold and any other formatting if needed. Duplicate the text box. Place it over the next shape. Change text. Now press Windows + key to open the emoji panel. Select the desired emoji. Close the panel. Similarly, repeat the same steps for the other text box. Adjust the shape and text box to make it look clean and well-aligned. Click the yellow dot on the main shape and adjust the corners to increase or decrease the roundness. Go to Shape Format, apply Shadow Effect to the shape. Repeat the same process for the other shapes as well. Now either duplicate an existing text box or insert a new one from Insert tab under Shapes or Text Group. Enter your text and adjust its position over the main shape. Increase font size. Apply bold formatting. Drag and adjust its position. Change font color. Now click on the main shape. Press Window + to open the icon window. Select the required icon. Increase size. Make any final adjustments if required to improve the overall look and design. Now select the shape or text box that we created like a button. Press Ctrl+K, and from the list, select the corresponding worksheet you want to link it to. Click OK. Similarly, repeat the same process for all the remaining buttons and link them to their respective sheets. Just make sure each button is linked to the correct sheet. This will help users navigate smoothly across your Excel dashboard. This trick can be used in any Excel workbook to create quick navigation links. It makes switching between sheets simple and efficient. Now let's check the result. Just click on any tab, and the corresponding sheet will open instantly. If you want to add a link to the home icon, insert the icon from Insert tab, press Ctrl+K, and link it to the home sheet. If you want to remove grid lines from the home sheet, go to the View tab and uncheck grid lines. Let me know in the comments which topic you want the next video on. I will try to cover it in upcoming videos. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tricks and tips.